Good morning, YouTube. Somebody wanted a cold start video, so I'm gonna do one. We'll do the cold start with the cutouts open, and then I'll close them up. We just wanted to see how loud the truck was. Alright, they're open. Button again. Well, that's them open. Close them. To be honest, only one of those is working right now. I gotta move this tailpipe a little bit, it vibrates. That's a license plate vibrating. Alright, we'll tighten that up. A little dirty right now. I was gonna wash it yesterday, but it was only fucking, I don't know, 16 degrees or something. It would only, everything would have froze. I'll take her down today, give her a bath. But someone asked how loud it was at idle. It's pretty loud. There are louder, but I do have a pretty big muffler on this. Walla S type. And there you guys go. There's my cold start. Well, subscribe, hit the like button. Y'all have a good day.